Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Supabase to Claude AI in 2026. Now, in order to connect both of these, you first of all need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for supabase.com. Now, when you are here on the Supabase account of yours, you just have to simply click on the profile icon of yours on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, click on the option of account preferences. Now when you are here inside account preferences, simply click on the option of access token. Now when you are here inside the access tokens account, you are going to see your token available, which you can just simply click and then copy from here. Now if you are not able to find it over here, you can also click on the option of generate new token, and then you can generate a new token by providing your email address and your password. Now when the token is available here, you just have to copy this from here, then simply open a new tab in the search bar and search for Claude AI. Now when you log in into your Claude AI account, simply click on the option of customize, then click on the option of connect your app. Now over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Supabase. Now when you're able to find the Supabase application over here, you just have to do nothing but to just simply click on the option of this plus icon right next to it. Then it is going to redirect you here inside your Supabase account of yours. So simply click on the option of authorize Claude in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be redirected on Claude AI again, and you will be shown that you have successfully connected your Supabase account with your Claude AI account very easily. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.